analogous organs, we can clearly say, is one of the evolutionary evidences. Why we are saying this as an evolutionary evidence? We see that analogous organs have different origin, but they have same function. So if I have to tell this, I could tell from various points it is originating to have a common function. So can I call it as convergent evolution? Very true. So it is a convergent evolution because it is having different origin and same function. We will be looking into 4 different examples to understand the same concept. The first example is eye of an octopus, which is meant for seeing, is derived from the skin part of it, whereas eyes of mammal is derived from the neuron. Both are meant for sight and both have different origin. The neuron derivative is a ectodermal form, whereas the skin is a completely different kind of origin. We see it in case of octopus. Now in example 2, we are going to see fins of dogfish, which is no doubt the name itself is telling fins, whereas flippers of a dolphin, both are meant for swimming. But flippers is a limb modification, whereas fins are of fins. Third one, sweet potato and potato both are meant for storage. But sweet potato is a modified root, whereas potato is a modified shoot. It is a stem. In example 4, we have taken butterflies here. Butterflies fly with the help of wings, which is made up of integument. Whereas you can see birds and bats here. This is birds and this is bats. Both are also helping in flight, but which part? Forelimbs. So you can in each example see their origin is different but function is same, which proves it to be as convergent evolution.